Hello everyone, welcome to the Rookie Teacher. It's me, your Rookie Teacher Tania, and today, look at this awesome shirt. I think I've already, no, I haven't worn this one, right? It's really cool. I don't know if you know Powerline, but it's like, you know, this Disney movie, Stand Out. Whatever. So, today, we will learn how to make questions in Spanish. So you cannot just give information but also ask for information. In Spanish it's really easy to actually make questions because you need only to change the tone of your voice. So for example, ¿tienes hermanos? That's an affirmative sentence. But if I want to make a question, it's not in English, like you need to change, you know, you need to use an auxiliary at the beginning and then blah blah blah. No, in Spanish you just change the tone. So, ¿tienes hermanos? Affirmative sentence, question. ¿Tienes hermanos? You see, it's that easy, but I'm gonna give you some keys so you can make another type of information questions. So, number one is ¿qué? Blah 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 blah. ¿Qué? So this is basically what. For example, the verb hacer, haces, you know, to do. You see someone and you don't know what they're doing and then you want to ask, hey, what are you doing? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces? And also, you remember this thing? It's like an accent. Create an accent, you need to put it in every question formula you make, okay? So, ¿qué? Blah, 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 blah. ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué comes? ¿Qué? Etc. What? This is what. And also in Spanish we have both question marks at the beginning of the question and at the end of it. If you're talking with a friend on social media, you know, you're sending them a text or you're talking through Facebook on a comment, you can omit them, but the correct way is to put the question mark at the beginning. The next one. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo estás? Remember? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Cómo haces esto? How do you do this? How? Yeah. How? This means how. ¿Cómo aprendo español? How do I learn Spanish? Watching my videos. Okay. The next one is ¿cuándo? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Again. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. So, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When? When? When is your birthday? When is your wedding? When do you finish school? When will you take a bath? Anything, okay? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? I will give you the answers. If you watch the other videos, you can say, you can remember this word. En el Metropolitano. Remember the park? ¿Dónde? Metropolitano. ¿Dónde vives? En México. ¿Dónde te gustaría vivir? Where would you like to live? en Corea del Sur. So, what does donde means? Where. Where. Oh, I missed one. Now, ¿cuántos? ¿Cuántos? Do you remember this question? ¿Cuánto es? Son 20 pesos. ¿Cuánto es 20 pesos? Do you remember? ¿Cuántos? Alright, so how many? I know we don't say that in English, we don't say how many dollars. How many? We say how much is it, but yeah, it could be like how many, how much. And also we use it to ask for age. Okay? ¿Cuántos años, age, tienes? Well, years, it's not age, it's years. Años, years. If we translate it in English, it sounds weird because it's how many years do you have? Of course, we don't say that, no? We say, how old are you? But in Spanish, it's ¿cuántos años, verb tener, tú tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Right, so we can use that. So, let me ask you some questions. You can answer them on the comments below. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Cómo estudias español? ¿Ok? ¿Qué idiomas hablas? Okay, guys, so I know this video is quite shorter than the other ones, but I think that's also good, so you don't have to keep a lot of information. So yeah, this would be pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to follow me. You can subscribe here on this channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Spotify. You can find me on Instagram as @therookieteacher_. And the other two, I just put the links down below. So yeah, I'll see you if you have any question, DM me or comment. And don't forget to answer the questions. I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye!